Hello friends, today we learn about Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as a national occasion on October 2nd every year to mark the occasion of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Renowned as Mahatma Gandhi, he is one of the few leaders who possessed a thought left an imprint on India's young generation. His legacy is still remembered till date. Gandhi Jayanti is followed by prayer service and tribute across the nation. The Prime Minister of India and other eminent politicians visit Gandhi's memorial Rajghat in New Delhi, where he was permitted to pay their respect. Educational institute, college and university celebrate Gandhi Jayanti thought prayer, meeting or watching documentaries on his life or any other cultural activity. In many places in India, people decorated the Gandhi statue to pay respect with flowers and garlands. Another observance is to avoid eating meats or consume alcohol on this special occasion. Signification of Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is one of the major national festivals holiday which is celebrated all over the country and even outside India as well, like South Africa, United States, United Kingdom, Geneva, Denmark. Furthermore, October 2nd is also announced as International Day Non-Violence by the United Nations. The festival is certainly a momentous occasion in India. This is certainly one of the great occasions in India. Every year on Mahatma Gandhi's birthday anniversary, his ideas are revised by the Indians as many texts pledge to follow the similar ideologies as shown by the greatest leader of Marxist. His non-violent way to protest will always be inhibited forever amongst his followers and Indian citizens across the globe. About Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1867 in Porbandar, Gujarat in the British ruled India. Gandhiji's family belonged to the merchant class. At the age of 24, he traveled to South Africa in order to pursue law. At the time, he also raised his voice against racism as he himself was subjected to racial segregation system while traveling on train. He was thought out of first-class railway compartment as he was Indian descent and did not belong to white race. He returned from South Africa in the year of 1915. After that, he became an active member of Indian National Congress and he soon became the president of Congress Party due to his relentless effort. As Gandhiji developed a humongous amount of disliking toward the British, then ruler of India, he quit being a lawyer and adopted a non-violent resistance to lead many noteworthy campaigns against the British for India's independence. Some of the noteworthy non-violent civil rights movements to attain freedom led by Mahatma Gandhi were Champaran and Kheda Satyagraha. The non-corporation movement were Salt Satyagraha and Quiet India movement. Among all the peaceful civil rights movements, Gandhiji initiated Dandi March in 1930, where his protest was against the salt tax imposed by the British government illegally. He also took the effort to indict the famous Quiet India movement in 1942 in order to call out the British to leave India. His thought and idea inspired the entire nation to the core, and as a result many youth and masses joined and follow all the value and movements inspired by him. Gandhi led various significant campaigning for many social cases until his last breath in order to gain Swaraj or self-rule. Apart from fighting against the British rule, Gandhiji also fought against various evil societal systems such as the caste system, untouchability. He also took initiative to raise awareness about equality and brotherhood in the society. Gandhiji was bestowed the title of Mahatma, which means great soul, by the greatest people, Rabindranath Tagore, as he sacrificed his entire life, opted for simplest of life, gave us gave up his career just to fight against the foreign oppressor and achieve independence for his country and country people.